20 strangers paid me to teach them about options. Here's exactly how much money I made. So everyone on the internet is so obsessed with how much money anyone makes, right? And especially it's such a taboo topic in Singapore. The moment you say, wow, how much money this one makes, right? Wow, everybody wants to click on it and they want to know exactly how much salary you're earning, whether comparing themselves to you as well, and knowing where they stand in terms of how much money they earn, right? Whether they feel important or not based on their salary range in that sense. And just to get things out of the way, right, I conducted a 2-hour option selling masterclass and I earned about $5,000+ from that, right? And I know your first reaction, you'd be like, oh my god, what the hell? This guy is a total snake oil salesman, he's a total sellout, right? He's scamming people's money, right? I started selling all these kind of things, so I don't want to follow this guy anymore. And I know what you guys are thinking, right, in the comment section and everything. So I want to give you this perspective in that sense. I earned $40,000 last year with this wheel strategy, and I'm not saying that this is typical results. This is atypical results. Please get that through your head. This is not going to be the results every single year, and I'm already estimating that this year will be a little bit different, but it's just the volatility is part of it. You're not going to earn a lot of money every single year from everything that you're doing, right? There will be some volatility, and one of the main things I'm thinking about is that I cannot guarantee the results of my students, of course. I can't say that everybody is going to earn $40,000, but let's say they earn just a fraction of that. Let's say they earn $10,000 a year, for example, which is not very difficult, right? Somewhere in a ballpark of $800+ a month. Very, very doable with option selling. So let's say they just earn $10,000 a year, for example, and they do that for the next 20 to 30 years of their life. How much money is that going to be? 200, 300,000? Right? So how much money should I charge this skill or this class in that sense to be able to help them to have this skill to earn so much money down the road, potentially down the road? So what? Now suddenly my class fees ain't that expensive anymore, right? Because it is a skill that you can potentially earn hundreds of thousands of dollars down the road, which is insane, right? When you think about it. So that's where I'm coming from in terms of selling something, in terms of your knowledge and your skill, right? To be able to help people and to potentially change their lives as well. I really, really enjoy doing it. And it's really a win-win situation, because the worst thing is actually to offer things for free. Because when I offer things for free, nobody listens. Like these kind of YouTube videos as well. I don't know how much it inspires you to really start doing something on your own, but just watching the video itself, most people just use it as entertainment rather than something to really do and make action out of it, right? So one of the things that I found that was very, very useful is actually surrounding yourself with a group of people, group of like-minded people who actually think the same way, who want better things, who have a hunger to really achieve financial success in their life. That's actually where I'm coming from in terms of creating a group. And I created a free Telegram group where I'm housing all these people, where I like to call future millionaires, because as you continue to watch my videos, there's no freaking way that you'll not get inspired, that you'll not get motivated, or you'll not get triggered to want to do something with your life. And that free Telegram chat group, of course, will be where you can ask your questions, you can have access to me, making sure that you have access to my videos and having these constant updates of changing your life for the better. Someone just told me recently that him and his girlfriend, they really started investing just because of my videos, and I'm so thankful for that, because you guys are actually watching my videos and I'm actually changing lives. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, click the first link in the description box down below. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions in the Telegram chat group for the future millionaires. Right, let's go. When you go for classes, you pay money, you pay attention, right? You really, really pay attention to what I'm talking about, and through that, you're actually going to take more action as well, because you have accountability. I've already paid the money, I've already spent the time, I'm going to do something out of it. So my students will definitely have much better results than the people who just watch my YouTube videos and do nothing about it. It's just the truth in that sense. Which actually brings me to the point of this video. I totally forgot about it for a moment. But what are you worth today? Right? How many of you guys are just bitching non-stop about how badly your company treats you, how badly you're being paid, but how much are you truly worth? Right? There is no answer to this question. It's a rhetorical question, right? But where I'm coming from is that what knowledge do you possess? What skill do you possess that people want? And instead of just bitching all day long about things not changing for you, why not go out there and do something about it? And I know the answer to that, because bitching is the easier thing, right? You feel the discomfort, you bitch a little bit, and then you just feel a little bit better about yourself. And then life continues, right? It's like going on holiday like that. You're very, very uncomfortable, but the moment you get your salary, the moment you can go on holiday, elevates a little bit of that discomfort. You're back to baseline, and then you're okay to go through this shitty work or shitty life again, right? So the discomfort, right, is most important, right? A lot of people, they only take action because they feel a lot of pain or a lot of discomfort. And if you're in a position where you don't feel enough discomfort, I want you to imagine how your life will be 5 to 10 years down the road and amplify that pain for yourself, because that's truly going to change how you feel at this point of time, whether you should take action or not. Because if you can amplify the pain early, that means that you'll be able to identify that, okay, this is not the life that I want, I'm gonna go and change something else, right? And when you identify the problem, which is not having the right knowledge, not having the right skills, and you know, most people will just say, but I don't know anything special. Me neither. I started this YouTube channel 3 years ago, and I spent 2 years, right, just being blind in the dark and just doing all these things and not earning any money. I spent $30,000-$40,000 on my YouTube channel, and I'm just starting to recoup some of the losses in that sense, but I just count it as personal development, investment in my own personal development and my own learning. And you can see, if you've been watching my YouTube channel, you can see how I've grown in terms of my maturity, my knowledge, my execution, the way I communicate as well. It's become a lot more natural, because I feel like as I'm talking through the camera now, I'm actually talking to some of you guys who have met me on the streets, met me in the gym, and I just really want to help people, right? And of course, I'm not hiding, I'm not a charity, I also want to earn money as well. And by doing all that, I want to make sure that I'm providing value to people, and through that value, then that's how I'm earning money as well. I think it's a win-win situation. So what can the solution be? It can be something as simple as starting to learn a high income skill, like investing, for example, like selling options, like, you know, attending my masterclass and stuff like that. But you know, the masterclass hasn't been open yet for August at least. And these are so many things that you can do for yourself. But most importantly, I look at these two ingredients. Number one, I look at what is one high income skill that can potentially earn me a lot of money and compound down the road. And secondly, what do I have interest in and I can have fun and have some passion around it, right? You guys can clearly tell I am an extrovert at heart. I don't really excel at talking to the camera, but I'm trying to get better at it. And I excel at talking to people, but I also enjoy doing YouTube. And that's why I could continue grinding so much, even though the first 2 years I didn't earn any money at all. I continue learning the skills of content creation, how to edit videos, I don't edit my own videos anymore, but I learned how to edit videos, how to create thumbnails, how to create this kind of topics that you guys are interested in, because I am interested in these things, in personal finance, in personal development, and that's how I can continue to do it. So I think you guys should go towards something that you are curious and interested about, because if it's all about the money, it's all about the money, but I'm gonna get copyright strike from that. But the truth is, if it's all about money itself, you're really gonna get burnt out very quickly, because, and I might be wrong, because everyone is wired a bit differently, but I'm not wired for money itself only. I'm wired for significance, for impact. You guys can tell that I'm doing this for the greater good and for myself as well. I'm not, you know, a charity. I want to do this to help people, and that significance and the impact that I can generate in people's lives is driving me forward to continue doing this, rather than just thinking about the financial aspect. So for you guys, I don't know what wires you, but hopefully you find something that, number one, can earn you money, and number two, can also help you in terms of a creative outlet, right? To be able to enjoy the process, to be able to do all these things that can better your life and better someone else's life as well. I think it's one of the most meaningful things you can do in your life as well. That's why you can see that I chose the jobs that impact people a lot, right? First, I'm a physio, and then now I'm a full-time YouTuber in that sense. So hopefully you get the gist of what's going on, but things may not be as difficult as you seem. Really just taking that first few steps is where all the inertia will come. But once you get over that, like, it could be as simple as just watching a YouTube video, clicking on one of my videos on investing and starting to learn about investing, and then hopefully I'll see you in one of my options masterclass down the road as well, right? I'm just kidding. You're gonna come up to you. But the main point is you get started today, and then you use that momentum to fuel you for the next few steps, because it's going to get very exciting. Progress equals happiness. So always make progress, always keep learning, and I hope you go out there and become as dangerous a human being as possible, because we all have unlimited potential that we are not tapped in yet. And I feel like I'm just starting to tap into my own potential. So I hope to unlock a lot of that potential for you guys as well. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. I'm filming this near my house, you know, enjoying myself, being able to articulate these thoughts out. It's been a little bit like therapy for me as well. So thank you so much for watching. If any of you guys see me on the street, in the gym or whatever, come shake my hand and just talk to me. I won't bite, right? I might look like Abing, but really I'm just a soft-hearted, cuddly teddy bear in that sense. And hopefully you guys resonated with this video. If you enjoyed this video down here, click the like button, subscribe if you can, join my Telegram chat group. And if you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Telegram or even on Instagram, right? I'm quite active on those two areas as well. If you enjoyed this video here, then you probably enjoyed this video here as well. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day as usual, and go out there and crush it. See ya!